Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the issue with the INTC audiobus.sys blue screen error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So typically this involves incompatible drivers or certain driver failures. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update, so i-click mo lang yan, and dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, under dito sa more options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced options. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa advanced options, so ang next step, under dito sa additional options, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong optional updates. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa optional updates ay kailangan mo lang i-update, i-download or install yung driver na mayroon dito na updates. Okay, so click mo lang tong arrow na yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung drivers. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-install or download. So check mo lang tong box. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang dito yung download and install. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so after dito, so in other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and next step ay i-paste lang natin dito. So Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type. So type mo lang yung sfc space / scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete, and next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. I-click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix INTC audiobus.sys blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.